So that's not good. So if we look at number 17, we need this to be equal to 0. You can't solve it if it's not equal to 0. So what could we do?
2 plus 2.
We could add 2 to both sides. That's exactly right. So if I add 2 here and add 2 over here, this is where my equal sign is. Do I have any like terms that I can put the 2 with? No, so I'm going to have to just put them all together. Negative 3y squared minus x plus 2 equals 0. Now don't forget, what are we going to have to do with this negative in front right here?
Distribute it through the whole thing.
Not distribute, but you're on the right track. We need to factor it out. Factor it out. So we are going to divide everything by negative 1, and that's going to change all the signs. Positive 3y squared, positive x, and negative 2 equal to 0. So go ahead and see if you can factor this and solve it with your groups. Okay, so here's the factoring process. We've just worked through that. Now we're to the point of solving. And here's my question. Does this negative 1 have a variable on it? No. Since it does not have a variable on it, then that means we don't get a solution from it, so we can just ignore it for the rest of the time. But what we do need to do is set each of these equal to 0. So either x plus 1 equals 0 or 3x minus 2 equals 0. So we can subtract 1 here. We get negative 1 for our first solution. On this one, we'll add 2 and then divide by 3. So 2/3 is your other solution.